Good morning, dear Forex traders. This is the latest business news on Insta TV channel. I'm Olga Vitkovskaya. The Central Bank of Australia kept slashing the key interest rate in October, having pushed the national currency to its 3-week low. At the yesterday's meeting, Reserve Bank of Australia governors led by Glenn Stevens lowered the cash rate from 3.50% to 3.25%. The decision to break a 3-month calm was expected by 9 out of 28 analysts surveyed by Bloomberg News. Most experts did not think any changes were likely. Yesterday, head of the RBA reported weak economic growth inside and outside of the country, which causes low prices for major exported goods, namely ore and coal. The Eurozone debt crisis also hampers global growth. Shortly after the decision was released, the rate of the Australian dollar sank to $1.0309 during the trades in Sydney. Just before the rate announcement, the Aussie was worth $1.0365. During the trades, the Australian dollar dipped to the lowest level since September 7, $1.0292. Find out more events on financial markets with us.